Thank you,
What's
sir.
your message, Mr. President? What's your message to the Iranian people after 2 rounds of talks with them? Do you have any message to the Iranian people?
Iranian people in Iran or
Yeah.
people here?
People in Iran.
They better negotiate a fair deal. They better negotiate. You know, the people of Iran are a lot different than the leaders of Iran. And it's very sad situation. But 32,000 people were killed over a relatively short period of time. They were going to hang 800, 2 weeks ago, hang, some by crane. They lift them up with a tall crane and they play them around the square. They were going to hang 837 people. And I gave them the word, if you hang one person, even one person, that you're going to be hit right then and there. I wasn't waiting 2 weeks and negotiating. And they gave up the hanging. They didn't hang 837. Supposedly they didn't hang anybody. But no, I feel very badly for the people of Iran. They've lived in
Gündəlik hadisələrdən xəbərdar olmaq üçün bizi izləyin. Söz altında yox, göz altıda qalın.